Hi, I'm Ken Dempsey, owner of North Shore Kitchens Plus in Beverly, Mass. Today I'm here to talk to you about electrical plugs in your decorative backsplash. In this particular case, I used a granite backsplash, and as you see, I've incorporated and had made granite outlet covers, and then faux painted the outlet so that basically that outlet disappears from vision. They're necessity, they're required by law for building codes, but I don't like to see them. This is a way of being able to accomplish that. Again, I hope this tip has been helpful. I'm Ken Dempsey from North Shore Kitchens Plus in Beverly, Mass.